When we drew in 8x8 to review their feature set, it really met all of our needs. Recommending 8x8 is such an easy answer. It's yes. Prior to 8x8, we were constantly for years managing and dealing with multiple phone system platforms. None of them had the same interface to manage. None of them had the same level of capabilities. All of them were aged and just not supported. We needed to be quicker to make changes in response to that. And we just couldn't do it. I mean, we were literally taking weeks, if not months, to make a minor change to respond to customer needs. 8x8 system, again, it's so easy to manage and implement a change or implement a process. Even if it's a complete shift in a process that we've implemented in 8x8, we can turn up extensions, we can modify the way extensions or call groups or auto attendants need to ring, change them really quickly. The management interface has been a godsend, really has. The simplified interface has enabled us to extend those management and some of those tasks out to our service desk where they can very quickly first call to resolution. So somebody can call and ask for a change, the service desk can go in and make the requested changes happen. We can deliver the service to the internal customer, our associates, right away, within 10 minutes. We're using meetings quite extensively. There are key meetings that are happening leveraging the 8x8 meetings platform, even to the point where we're extending that and expanding that into video conferencing for productivity, which has really been helpful. We've also been using the whiteboard for interacting with outside partners or consultants, for architecture conversations, innovations. We're able to gain that visibility into whether or not we have a performance issue in our communication system or a performance issue in our process. And so we're able to make the improvements and more quickly respond to the customer. I'm really looking forward to the new experience and all the new features that are coming with it. I think that we're adopting them even sub day zero. I mean, we're already adopting the idea that, hey, there's two more different platforms I can get rid of because I can put it into one interface. It's great, it really is. I commend the leadership and the direction that they're swinging.